Welcome back children. Welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video we will learn about understanding shapes. So our first topic on this chapter is pairs of angles. So there are 5 types of pairs of angles. We have already learned different types of angles like the obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degree, acute angle, which is less than 90 degree, right angle, which is equals to 90 degree. We have learned this all in our previous class, right? So today we will learn the pairs of angles. A combination of two angles is called a pair of angles. So there are 5 types of pairs. Number 1 is adjacent angles. Now what are adjacent angles? Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex and a common arm between two other arms. So as we can see in the diagram, two angles 1 and 2 are said to be adjacent angles if they have a common vertex, common point, same point, so that these two angles must come out from the same point, okay, and should also have a common arm. This arm is common to both the angles, this and this, right, and between the two other arms. So this arm is common between the two other arms. That is why these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, are adjacent angles. Angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. So angle 1 we can also write it as angle AOB, and angle 2 we can write it as angle BOC. So angle AOB and angle BOC forms adjacent angles. This is what we have to remember, that two adjacent angles are the angles which have a common arm between them and also a common vertex. Now look into this diagram. If I ask you that angle 1, this angle, and this angle 2, are these two angles adjacent angles? So what will be your answer? Yes, they are not adjacent angles. Now why? Because these two angles do not have a common vertex. The vertex of angles 2 is B and vertex of angle 1 is O. So they do not have a common vertex. Though they have a common arm, ये आर्म उन दोनों के लिए कॉमन है, ये लाइन, बट उनकी जो पॉइंट है वो कॉमन नहीं है. एंगल 1 की पॉइंट O है और एंगल 2 की पॉइंट B है, तो ये दो एंगल्स एडजेसेंट नहीं है. दिस टू एंगल्स आर नॉट एडजेसेंट because they do not have a common vertex, hence they are not said to be adjacent. I hope you have understood what are adjacent angles. Now let us look into the next type, linear pair of angles. A pair of adjacent angles is said to form a linear pair if their non-common arms lie on one line, and also the sum of the measure of the linear pair angles is 180 degrees, equals to 180 degree. Okay, so let us see in the diagram. So this is a diagram. Now according to the definition, this linear pair must be adjacent angles also. So are angle 1 and angle 2 adjacent? Yes, because they have a common point O and a common arm OC. So they are adjacent angles. Now when they become a linear pair, कब ये adjacent angles linear pair भी कहलाएंगे? When their non-common arms, the arms which is not common to them, is one line. So as we can see, these two non-common arms is one line, one straight line, right? But in adjacent angles, the non-common arms may or may not be a straight line, right? We have seen the diagram. But in linear pair, it is compulsory that it must be a straight line. And also, the sum of the linear pair, that is angle 1 and angle 2, must be 180 degree. Yes, it is 180 degree. Why? Because they are on the straight line angle. And we know that straight line angle is equals to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. So in this figure we can see that angle AOC and angle BOC has a common vertex O and a common arm OC, and the other two arms OA and OB are on the same straight line AB. Thus, these two, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Linear pair. They are forming a linear pair. Okay. So I hope you have understood linear pair and adjacent angles. There are more types, more pairs of angles which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.